Hello friends, welcome to my channel Neha's Dot Art Creations India. Today we will be making 4 such beautiful and very easy to make fridge magnets. These are ideal for gifting and can be easily made by anybody. To make these we will be needing coaster size MDF bases, that is approximately 4-inch diameter for a circular shape or 4 by 4 inches for a square shape. To prepare the base for design, I am applying black acrylic color on the MDF base. I have made this YouTube video in collaboration with a very inspiring artist. Her name is Shubhangi and she has a YouTube channel by the name of Shunya by Shubhangi.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shubhangi Verma. Welcome to my channel Shunya by Shubhangi, which is a one stop destination for all things art. From tutorial to learn about dot mandala art, to learn about various raw materials and toolkit, to DIY, which I am providing you in my website shunya-art.com. I have made many more videos on different things like a placemat, earrings, wall art, stones, tea lights, magnets, etc. So I hope to see you in my channel Shunya by Shubhangi.
After our base coat has dried, now I have marked the center and I will be using these half cut pearls and rhinestones of various shapes and sizes to decorate these fridge magnets. In the center, I am using a craft glue to stick this half cut pearl, and now we will go ahead with our dot art. Around the center, I will be making concentric circles starting with white and gradually adding little by little yellow and moving towards a darker shade of yellow. Make sure you use a little larger dotting tool for every circle. After 4 layers of dots from white to yellow, I am making a circle of white large dots, and between two white large dots I am placing dots of glue, and here I will be sticking square shaped rhinestone. Between two large stones I am now placing yellow large dots. Between two large yellow dots, I will be placing 3 swooshes of white color. You can make these by placing a dot with the dotting tool and then dragging the color with the same dotting tool as shown above. Thus, using really very simple designs, we can make such very beautiful fridge magnet. To fill in the spaces in between, you could either use a 3D liner like I am using or a cone filled with acrylic colors, or you could also use dotting tools to fill in the gaps between the larger dots with any color of your choice. We can make a similar design over a CD which we no longer use. After the project is complete and all the paint has dried, we need to apply a coat of varnish over the top and stick magnets on the back, and our fridge magnets are ready. We will be making 3 more such similar and beautiful fridge magnets. So sit back and enjoy. I hope you like these four beautiful fridge magnets. I would love to hear from you, so please do write to me in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please do encourage me by subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now.